A heated exchange ensued in the Senate today as a section of senators engaged the National Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi over alleged wastage of resources in government. Mbadi found himself on the receiving end defending President William Ruto's nationwide tours, including the Nyota programs that some legislators say is a conduit for wastage and pilferage. Well, Jeff Kirui tells us no.
Treasury CS John Mbadi and Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna were locked in a heated exchange over the government's use of public funds in launching Nyota program. Mbadi had been summoned to shed light on some issues raised by senators, including Nairobi's Edwin Sifuna. One of the questions was on cost of transporting President Ruto to events.
The expense side of hosting those Nyota events, how much it costs for you to put up those fanciful tents that we see, how much it costs to transport all of you, including the president, to those events, and lastly, why you allow politics to be played on those podiums.
You know, Kenyans are very interesting, Mr. Speaker. When you don't communicate, they complain. They want public participation. When you do it, why are you doing it? You are politicizing. How much are you using? I don't know whether you expect the president to walk to Kisumu on foot to go and conduct public sensitization on a very critical and important program of government targeting the youth.
A seemingly furious Mbadi hit out at the critics of the ruling administration who have constantly raised concerns over wastage and pilferage in government.
The president was not elected to sit at State House. We need a president who reaches to Kenyans, talk to them, explain the government program.
How much has been expended?
Mbadi emphasized that the president's travels and Nyota launches were financed within budget already approved by the National Assembly.
The budget that the head of state has spent in going around to sensitize Kenyans on the Nyota program is within the budget of State House, provided by the National Assembly of the Republic of Kenya.
Nyota empowerment projects have come into sharp criticism, especially by the opposition brigade, with critics reading it as an elaborate scheme by the ruling regime to play the 2027 politics disguised as empowerment drives. Jeff Kirui, KTN.
And for the third day running, United Opposition Leaders pitched